Morning, my dear student, and today your topic is the lab chemical combination reaction. Lab chemical combination. The chemical combination are five types. First is the lab conservation of the mass. Lab conservation of the mass. Then the mass in and isolated system can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another form. This is the lab conservation of the mass. Okay, it means the reactant equal to the product of mass. The mass of reactant is equal to the product of the mass. This is the law of chemical combination. Law of conservation of mass. This is the example. Combustion process. Combustion process means the burning of wood is a conservation of mass, as the burning of wood involves oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, vapor and acids. This is the reactant of product. Mass of reactant is equal to the mass of the product. And second is the chemical reaction. To get one molecules of H2O with the molecular weight of 10, hydrogen with molecular weight is 2 is added to oxygen whose molecular weight is 8, thereby conserving the mass. This is the law of conservation of the mass. Okay, my dear student, this is the conservation of the mass. Law of the conservation of the mass. I give example. 10 gram of calcium carbonate products 3.8 grams of CO2 and 6.2 grams of Ca represent this reaction in terms of law of conservation of mass. This is the question and answer. According to the conservation of mass of reactant equal mass of product. Ten gram of CH3 equal 3.8 gram of CO2 plus 6.2 gram of CaO. 10 gram equal 3.8 plus 6.2. 10 gram equal 10 gram. This is the reactant and product of the compound.